Hi guys. I found the hack how to get slime, but then this is the result. This is like it's just like water for now. So I decided to leave it in the fridge, and it still looks like the frozen ice piece that they did not show on the television. And I've been having this. Don't worry. I know it's silly. Just keep mixing it. I know I should just keep mixing it, but I don't want to mix it until my arm falls up. So I just add this.
Was that even a question? That's a favor I will do anytime. That was weird. You know what is weird? This girl. Hawaii core. Like your avatar. Girl, hush. I will cook you. Cook your grizzly hair. Greasy. Where a big tree?
There. Guys, I'm mixing it and I'm watching Angel right now. Angel is... Wait, I'm gonna like... Wait.
She thinks she's funny. She thinks she's all this and that. When in reality, she'll protect me. You know the swirly pool that has slides over it? Yeah, that's what she looks like. You know what? Even a poop will look better compared to her. What's funny is that she's
Done.
trying to grow hair.
So we're still going to be mixing. I don't know when this is gonna come. I'm going to stop. That's because the one in the YouTube video started. They were like, and then boom, they have slime. Wait. Sorry about that. We're gonna go back. Where were we starting? Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's a tree. It looks like a tree that belongs to the Lorax. I'm purchasing it. You know, your girl's kind of running out of ideas, so I can become a tree on tomorrow's video or something. I think I might be losing
Guys, I'm pretty sure this is fake, but I don't know yet.
Oh my god.
It still looks like it's gonna die.
I think hair was.
I'm gonna add a tiny bit of my secret ingredient. Don't worry about what's in
I'm
that.
gonna aim and you've got no eyes to begin with. Silly girl, I'm gonna cook it first. Okay, being a big avatar really does have its disadvantages because I feel like I'm gonna die now. Girl.
Done? Now you guys can see it again. I've been videoing for 3 minutes and I don't know why, but that's fine. Like for me, that's what I want. If you guys don't like it, then you can leave. But you know, I still want to leave. You can stay if you have time. But if you don't want, so like I'm clearing up because I don't have a lot of time right now. I need a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff to do right now, and I don't have a lot of time. So I'm gonna leave this in the fridge and wait for a couple of hours. Let's just add the secret ingredient. This is a different secret ingredient that you guys can see. The secret ingredient I was talking about earlier was a very secret one. So like, yeah. Tell me if I'm wrong right now. Please just tell me. Tell me if I'm wrong. Please just tell me if I'm wrong. But this is what it looks like right now. It looks like this is water, but I'm just gonna keep mixing for now. I'm not gonna mix, guys, until my hand falls off. No. I'm gonna do this again on the next video. If I do maybe if I wait the 24 hours. If I wait the 7 hours, I want it. I'm gonna have a tiny bit of good side. I'm pretty sure I want the purple right now. Wow, my slime smells good. Oh my god, my slime smells good, guys. I know, I've been videoing for 5 minutes, so you guys can go if you guys want to, or if you don't, or if you just want to watch a different video. But I'm pretty sure my slime looks like this right now. Or maybe I didn't put enough glue, maybe I didn't put enough toothpaste. No. Shocking because I already put the whole bottle glue, and I've been trying to make it work since earlier now, but it looks like it's not working. Should I'm gonna eat.
Well, if you know the internet, it's 21.
I know internet. I play Mother Mistake Walk. I know mine. You like it.
Yes, I captured it, but let me just spin it right now. It's actually gonna take me so long to finish this if I ever do this in a full video,
It's for
guys.
you.
I'm pretty sure I need to hurry up because the phone that I'm using on this channel is not my phone. But I have to hurry.
Mr. Purple, Mrs. Want cookie? Here you go.
Guys, I found it again. Let's see it. I found it. Look.
Oh wow. Go.
Let's go, let's go. It's hard, but I know it's like a 7-minute time right now. But I think I'm done with the slime. I'll leave it in my fridge
Hi.
for now.
I like a few hearts.
I'm sorry.
I like fruit.